How to troubleshoot dual monitor problem. Hey everyone, in this tutorial we're going to see how you can easily fix if you're having issues with dual monitor display. So the very first thing you want to do over here is open up your settings menu, right click on the gear icon and then go to settings. Once your settings opens up, you want to head over to the left hand side of your screen and then find your display settings. Go to system and then find display. Then you can scroll down here and find graphics. Just click on it. And then from here, you can make sure that this option is turned on. Optimization for windowed games is turned on. And if there are any specific apps you want to edit your graphics, you could do that as well. Now go back over to your Windows settings. And down below, you'll find multiple display settings. Click on the drop down. From here, make sure both of these boxes are checked. First one is remember Windows location based on monitor connection, and then minimize windows when a monitor is disconnected. If you have plugged in your secondary display, click on detect and see what message you get. If you immediately get the name of your second display, you can click on it to directly connect it. And if you are trying to connect a wireless display, choose right here. And then you'll find your available device. Then you can press Windows plus P to select your secondary display here. If you just want to duplicate, choose the duplicate option. If you want to extend your screen, you can do that as well. And if you just want the second screen only, you can choose that from here. Now you can click on more display settings here. It's going to take you right over here. Now finally, what you need to do is check for your drivers. Close this out, right click on it on the start menu and then go to device manager. Once you head over to your device manager, you want to go over to your display adapter and then find your graphics driver. I currently have Intel's built-in graphics driver. You might have NVIDIA's graphics driver or AMD's. You basically have to update the driver. Click on update, search automatically. If it says the best driver is already installed, then you're good to go. Just plug in your secondary display and it should start working without any problem. Now, if this does not work, then what you can do is again go to update driver, but this time choose browse my computer for drivers. Click on next. And then if it says the best driver is already installed, then you're good to go. So that's basically it, guys. I hope this tutorial was helpful. Hit the like button down below, subscribe to our channel. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching.